In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix ChatGPT image generation not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, but all you want to do is open up ChatGPT on whatever you're using, whether you're on a PC, phone, or anything like that. And there's a few different methods that we can go ahead and do this. So the first one is changing your prompt style. For example, if you just do a style like this, there's a chance it might not even generate an image. So you want to make it clear that you want to make an image. So instead of something like this prompt where it says a Disney style baby Yoda eating soup, you want to do a 3D digital art style illustration. And then, obviously you want to make it as detailed as possible. And the next thing you could do is clear ChatGPT's corrupted storage cache. So all I want to do is go to the top left and then go over to site settings. Now you're going to see delete data right there. So all you want to do is press that. It's going to basically sign you out, but it's also going to clear your cache and everything. And then just go ahead and press delete. And then that should definitely work as well once you sign back in, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.